If you'd like to know some absolutely ravishing high-end blushes which blend beautifully, which have a great quality and consistency, please keep watching. There is some beautiful stuff I want to share. Hi, I'm Aparna Ganesh, and you're welcome to Joy Geeks, a channel where I create beauty and wellness videos. If you like such content, please do consider subscribing so that we can stay in touch and have fun all through the year. If you haven't seen my 5 favorite blushes in the affordable range, I will link that up above. Shall we begin with today's 5 favorites? Let's go. The first one I want to show you is from MAC. I think this is one of the first blush that I had bought from MAC, and it's in the shade Copper Tone. Copper Tone is this beautiful natural brownish pink which makes your skin look alive in the most natural way possible, and you can build it up to make it a lot more solid looking if you wish, or if you're of a darker skin tone. And if you're of a fairer skin tone, then you have to just go light-handed with this, and this would be lovely. This is the blush that I'm wearing right now, but I've used a very light hand because I had this heavy eye makeup and a bold lip. So I went light-handed with it. Definitely this is beautiful, I think, across skin tones. I love this Copper Tone. The second blush I have is also from MAC. This is the shade called Margin. If you want a blush which does not have a heavy color on it, or even a light color, but you do want to have that sheen on your face, and that when you move your face in an angle, it should kind of light up, this is that blush for you. It's such a subtle peachy pink color with that radiant, delicate sheen to it that you will never look overtly done up or gaudy with this. It's so classy. I love this. If you're too fair and you want very, very light something on your cheek, this is the color for you. If you're dark skin toned, you can use this as a blush topper. How do you say, less is more? Yeah, this is that kind of a product for me. I completely love this, and I would want you to try this out for sure. Notice this actually has broken off. It's just a cheap packaging. I don't really enjoy this MAC packaging too much because there's not even a mirror in this. But I guess, yeah, MAC is one of the oldest and one of the most veterans in the makeup industry. So I respect that, and the product definitely is outstanding. So I'm going to ignore the packaging and just enjoy the product. The next blush I want to show you is something I've been wanting for so long, and I had finally got it a few months ago. That's from Becca, and the shade is Wild Honey, because this is that perfect shade when you want absolutely natural look. This is more on the brownish side, and on my skin tone, I can say that it's almost not there, which is what I like. It may seem like you can't see anything at all, but when you have foundation and you have all of that, it does show up much better than this. Lighter skin tones, this would give an amazing color. For darker skin tones, I think you'll have to just try it out and check. I like the fact that this just gives me a healthy glow without any color standing out. And if I do want to build it up, I can. So I think this is a great quality, and the packaging is so cute. It's not something that will break too easily. It's very travel friendly. There is rubber around this in the packaging, so it's quite convenient and sturdy actually. This is such an exciting product I want to share with you because the packaging is so cute. I have to show you. Look at this. Isn't this cute? This is the Cheek Parade from Benefit, which is a blush kit actually. I'll just show this to you. It has 3 blushes and 2 bronzers. One is a Hoola bronzer, and I can smell it. It smells so gorgeous. And the other one is a Hoola Light, which actually doesn't really work for me. I should actually try using this as a compact or a very soft contour if I want. But for now, this video is focusing on the blush. I really like this. This is California, which is an orange gold color. On days when you do want to have it showing a bit more and you want the luminance along with it, this is that shade for you. Yeah, So I really like this, and I recommend this to anybody with a darker skin tone as well. It will show up because it's quite a lovely bright shade. For lighter skin tones, you'll have to just use a light hand, and that gold effect would be lovely. The sheen on this is absolutely beautiful. The other favorite of mine from this is Rocketeer. This is also used as a blush topper, or some people use it as a highlighter. This almost has no color, if you see, but the sheen that it gives is so beautiful. Say if you're wearing a heavy kajal and you have a heavy lip, you cannot have a really heavy blush. At such times, such a blush is very, very beautiful, because when you just turn around, it'll just have that shine. So my favorites are California, Rocketeer. If you're a very, very light skin tone, Dandelion will be great for you. It's not for my skin tone or for a darker skin tone for sure. This just doesn't show up. I have tried it a few times. Maybe in the winter I should try it again. There are, I think, more releases they've had. So yeah, this is one of my favorites. The packaging is cute, but it's not the most travel friendly because it's quite bulky. This packaging is like a book, as heavy as a book. So it's not travel friendly, but it's a collector's item for sure. Yeah, I quite like this. If you see the individual packaging also, you can see they've put it on the cover. It's quite cool. I like the product from Benefits and the packaging that they work on. Even though it's bulky, I think it's still okay. I like it. The last but not the least, I've got this from Smashbox. I did share this in a haul video of mine a few months ago. They have these 3 beautiful shades, and the name of this box is Blush and Highlight Palette Culver City Coral from Smashbox. And this is very, very natural. It's the highlight, they call it. It's not so much of a highlight actually, but it does give you that little sheen that if you want, without giving it too much color. So that's lovely. And then I like this because when I want more color to show, I use this. This is something I have avoided completely so far because it's too bright for me. But if you're a darker skin tone, or if you're somebody who likes a heavy blush, you could go with this. Again, very blendable. I like the quality of this. And I love the packaging actually because it's so sleek. It's 3 and it's very sleek. It has a mirror. It's very easy to carry. You can just toss it in your bag and walk around with it. So good job done. It's so lovely for me to know you guys. I'm very happy when you guys do tell me your favorite blushes too. Throw in your favorite blush recommendations to me as well in the comment section, so that I also get to know of some absolutely beautiful products out there. Which are the other products you'd like me to make my favorite 5 affordable and high-end of? Let me know and I'll do that. If you do like this video, please do give a thumbs up so I know you like it. It makes a lot of difference to me, guys. When you give me such an encouraging feedback, I'm very, very thankful for that. Thank you so much. That's all for now. See you.